Hello, my friend. I hope you haven't been living under the rock. You know that the network is the easiest way to do business in Web3 because you just need to send a message to a friend of yours and voila, you're working with Coinbase or things like that. They happen in Web3 all the time. They're less rare in Web2 unless you're not working in the space for a couple of tens of years, couple of decades. But Web3 is a super small industry, so everybody knows everybody. And if you have been in the market for a long time and you have a good name, you know most of the people. So your network is your power. Now let's talk about building the network. So why you should even do it? You want to have network because your network is your safety net. Whatever happens in your life with your job or with your business doesn't even matter. Network allows you to survive in business when things are bad, when the market is red, when everybody is talking about selling. You still have friends, and then friends can give you business, either their business or business of their friends. You can always go get some feedback, advice, support from the people that you know, from the people that have been with you for the last couple of years. And lastly, it's connections. So everybody knows everyone. So it's sometimes it's the easiest way to the big companies is through somebody that you know there, or through somebody who knows the person who knows the person. How usually happens in Web3. So the main common mistake that I see folks doing is either not knowing how to do network because just not even thinking about that, or just giving it all to the luck. So they go to a conference and then maybe they meet somebody, so they know that they have to network, but they don't have a clear plan for it. And if it's true about you, then you definitely need to check out the playlist on my channel about how to network, how to follow up your friends, how to do the CRM for that. And if that's not even enough for you, you can always extend your reach and get some cheat codes that I'm going to be sharing in the Web3 Sales Gym course. So go for the first link in the description. There's going to be a link that's going to take you to sign up for the course in the waitlist, and you're going to get a nice discount for that. In case of questions, next week we're going to be also talking about networking. If you want to network with me, just drop me a message. I'm going to leave my Telegram below. If you have something cool to offer, actually, yeah, that's going to be a good exercise. If you just think about networking with me, what would you send to me? What kind of value can you bring to the table? That is going to be a two-way interaction. Thank you so much. Go trade, and see you in the next video on the network. Bye-bye.